I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Vanguard Onslaught step by step. Begin by selecting a class and reviewing its kit, then set a simple deck focused on movement, defense, and one reliable damage combo. Practice basic rotations in a training match to cement timings and learn effective engagement ranges. Finally, watch your minimap for rotations and callouts to keep team synergy high and avoid lone pushes. Fine-tune your loadout to complement your chosen Vanguard role and emphasize survivability over raw damage when starting out. Equip at least one mobility option and one defensive mod to survive early trades while still closing gaps for your combo. Save currency for key utility items that let you rotate or stall objectives faster than you respawn, and swap mid-game if the enemy counters your initial setup. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings easy voice control, clear sound, and a compact design that fits any setup, perfect for game alerts and ambient music while you queue. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like it. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt a patient, objective-first mindset, and use communication to coordinate engages and retreats with teammates. Use flanks and cover to create angles where your burst combo will land cleanly, and avoid charging alone into crowded sightlines. Time ultimates for grouped enemies and chain crowd control with allies to secure kills quickly, then rotate to the next objective while your team resets and buys necessary items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.